What is up, guys? Today we have a review of the most cost-efficient high-resolution LED projector, which is LED projector for $10 from Aliexpress. So let's test it out. I haven't sponsored for this video, I just bought it for my needs. I sometimes don't have electricity, so I would like to use this sort of projector without electricity, and it supports it. It has a micro USB input for 5 volts. Also, I will show you any other methods to use it without electricity. So let's test it out. $10, really cheap and good deal. Let's see what they promise for $10. So the support resolution is 1920 1080 pixels. Real resolution is 320 240. Contrast is really small, is 800 to 1. TFT LCD technology, LED lifetime 30,000 hours. Manual operation. Distance is 1.52 meters. Size 24 up to 60 inches. Projector ratio 1.6 to 1. You can set up 4:3 aspect ratio to 16:9, 17.7 million colors. So you have options with built-in battery, but not this option. And you have you can have an option with lithium battery, 1.3 milliampere hours. Consumption is from 10 to 24 watt. Multimedia, music, photo, video, text, 23 languages. Size, you see it here, really small. And you have two options, 12 volts 2 ampere adapter here, or mobile power 5 volt 2 ampere, which I don't really recommend, and I will explain to you why. So let's open it up finally and see what's inside. So we have Chinese package style. You have the adapter here, and it's written 12 volts 2 ampere, so 24 watt maximum, model 1220, so just regular one with indicator. And the connectors, it's like similar to router connectors. I'll show you later on how it works. You have this old school outdated connector here. You have remote control, actually play, pause, sound you can control here, and just back forth buttons working from 2A battery. Actually it was not included, 3A battery. And you have manual here. So you have just how to set it up, how to use it, what kind of settings you have for remote control, how to turn it on, turn it off, safety instructions, actually how it looks like. Just for user who is not familiar, you can select also a second color. I have black and white, also it was yellow and white color available. You can even connect iPhone here. I didn't know it. Please plug in Android or Apple device. Please scan the code of Android device to install software. Okay, I don't think my projector supports it because I have the cheapest, most basic option, but they write here wired screen, so maybe we'll test it out. Okay, this is what you can connect. Let's finally check the projector itself. Look how small it is. Wow, it's just like hand. It's really light. I don't know, it's written how many grams, no, but I think it's, I don't know, 250, 300 gram maybe. You have the control on the top here, turn on button, left, right, okay, change the modes and back. From back you have micro SD you can insert here, 5 volts in with micro USB, so you can use it from power bank for instance. AV, so it's old school, like this, AV entrance. I don't know whether you need it, but it gives it to you. A headphone jack, so you can connect maybe external speakers or headphones, up to you. DC in, so it's actually how you should connect it when you have your light. HDMI cable, USB, and turn on, turn off button, but it's actually useless because you don't have built-in battery. Those are all for cooling here. 12 volts 2 ampere LCD LED, so you have such type of connector here, which is you can find some sets from your camera in case you have it, photo, video. Also that's it. So here you have the lens. This you use only once, you open it up, That's it. You have focus. When you close it, you don't have focus. That's more for portability. Speakers, I think somewhere here, but it's really bad. So let me just show you how it works. First of all, let me clean it up here. We don't need all the things. We need only remote control. This I will keep here, but I don't really use it because I use it only when there is no light. So I will show you my setup. So actually what I've got, I have a power bank here, which is really powerful, Bezos power bank. I have a review on it, and it supports 12 volts to ampere, so it can replace fully this charger. And I have the second one, it's a Belkin one, so it's just separately I need it. I'll let you know later why I need it. So of course you have an option to connect micro USB. I have a special cable here which supports 12 volt. This cable from Aliexpress, also it costs around $2. Also you have such sort of connector that is actually suitable here. You see, you can connect it to DC. Also with the micro USB there is issue that the brightness of it will be, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 times, 2 times maybe less bright than with such type of connector or connection from the grid. So that's the issue. I don't really recommend to use this 5 volts only in case it's really dark, it's fully dark room, it's middle of the night, then you can connect it by. I personally use it only such way, and I will show you how. I just connect it here. You see it will indicate here 11 volts, but actually it's around 12. You see my power bank is 12.5 volts now. And okay, there is no power. Let's turn it on. You see you have a light here. Hold it. Okay, let's switch it on with the okay, let's reconnect it. Sometimes happens. Oh, okay, loading. Green. We have 1 ampere here, as you see. 1 ampere and 12.5 volts, so around 12.5 watts, actually even less than 1 ampere. So it's working now. I will show you later how it's visible. Now it's really sunny in my room. I don't know whether you see it even now. I can put some box here, I don't know. So actually that's how it looks like in a bright room. But I will show you on the wall, of course, a bit later on. So now let's finish the connection of it. So I will show you my method of using it. I have the Realme stick here, which is actually Android stick for $50, so 5 times more expensive than this projector here. I connect it from my TV, so I connect it separately. Then you need separate power bank better, but you can also use actually the same power bank. Okay, so I've connected the Realme Link here. Actually it's as I mentioned before, is a portable Android here, Android TV. Then I need the second power bank to insert it. So insert is just 5 volts, regular one. And okay, it should load in. Started to load, I guess. It will show the indication that it's loading. Okay, loading. And the number 3, I'm connecting to Realme here, my portable Xiaomi speaker, because the sound here is really awful. You can connect any speaker, of course, but this one is like $8 speaker, but sound here is okay for its price, because built-in speaker is awful. I will make a test both of them, but as for now it's like this. So just hold it up. As you see, it's connecting. So now I have full setup here, 2 power banks. I have the speaker separately. I have 12 volts. Actually, you can see indicator here, 12.3 volts here. This 5 I don't use, as I mentioned. It's really not bright at all, and you can use it only in super dark night. But actually, this projector is only for night and for the dark room. So in case you want to use it during the day, just forget about this idea. Buy something more expensive and buy something that is connected to the grid with a higher voltage. This one is just portable and only for night, and that's only usage of it. And also be careful, you always need to connect something here because it has no Android, no any like operation system. So you just connect. It has some operation system which is very limited formats supporting, of course, micro SD supporting and USB. But for kids maybe it's enough without all this data. Just turn on and connect micro SD or USB and it will be fine. But for my usage, you see I have all this set up, and now I will show you how it works during the daylight, and later on I will record during the night light. Actually, that's how this setup looks like. Now it's around, I don't know, maybe 1 meter from the wall. It's staying here. All the power banks connected, and as you see, it's the picture is not good. It's really light. It's daytime. Okay, let me just connect it like this. The picture is not bright daytime. I also forgot to mention that I purchased some special thing here that should increase, special screens that should increase the quality, but actually it doesn't work. So I will show you how it looks like now. But after daytime, it doesn't. As you see now, the picture is closer, but it doesn't make any sense. So actually I put it near the wall and my wall looks better, so just keep it like this. Then I don't recommend to buy the cheap one. In case you want a good one, just buy expensive. You see here, it's actually really thin and huge. So actually useless. Don't recommend to waste $5 and buy it. Just find a good wall or buy the high quality one, but not with this projector. Of course, you see now it's daylight, so let me just close curtains a bit. Still daylight, but with the closed curtains. Not even close, partly close. So it already looks better. It's visible, but still bad, you know. If I put it further, the image is getting worse. So actually, as you see, for daylight, I don't know how to use it. Only maybe some kids will have some fun, but it's not created for the day time. And I will show you more details and how I use it during the night time. Then you will see all the advantages of this projector for its price. So let's switch to nighttime. Alright, basically that's how it looks like at night. So you hear some small or some actual noise, but it's not really noisy. So it's just cooling down inside, so you have cooler. And that's how it looks like, so not bad. Not bad. At the evening it's dark inside the house, so actually without light looks good. So how I use it, mainly what you can do here, let's check it out. So you have movie, music, photos, text, and from the settings you have picture mode, so it's user mode, but you have different color temperature, standard, cold and warm. I don't know whether you see it or no, I will come closer. Aspect ratio 4:3, or you have another options, noise reduction, time, off time, on time, sleep time, auto sleep, sound mode, user balance, auto volume, surround, and options like factory reset, software upgrade, and languages. So actually it's many languages available, so you can use any of them. Now let's switch to, you have wired screen. So basically, as you see, you can really connect your phone and make a screen share from your phone directly. You have SD card, you have media, I don't know whether you see it, media, HDMI, AV. So I use HDMI. I connected my stick. I will turn it on now. Okay, you see it's already connected. Let's change the aspect ratio. Okay, so now it looks like regular Android TV. Looks good. I have the speaker here. Let me turn it on now. Okay, currently I powered it off, so you will hear the real sound of this projector. As you see, quality, I don't know whether it's visible, but actually it's not really readable. You can see some sort of signs, but not really. Okay, no copyright music. Let me turn it on the screen, but I purely cannot see almost anything here. It's really, the resolution is too low, but for movies it's okay. That's the sound. It's just really awful. It's like very, very old Nokia with the lowest quality sound that is possible. So how I solve it? I connected to my stick the speaker. So I turn it on. Put it here on the top. Now it will be connected by Bluetooth. Let's wait. Okay, connected. So that's the speaker sound. For its price, more or less fine. Of course, you can connect any speaker by Bluetooth. Also, there is headphone jack here available, so you can use a headphone jack as well. Actually, it's not bad. Works fine, as you see. You can move it and make the screen bigger, smaller. Now it's around 2 meters, and I mean, I think you see how it looks like, right? So it's like readable, but very, very hard to read. But actually it works. So that's how it looks like. Actually, turn it on. So now you have it. Okay, basically that's pretty much it for review. For its price, for $10, that's a really good product, and I really recommend to buy it. Of course, it's more for portability, for portable. Let's say projector is good, but of course if you want to have it at your home and watch videos every day, that's not a good option, even for $10. Alright, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, put a thumbs up, and see you next time.